All right, hopefully everybody's had a great week. Just want to go over some last second stuff. The project that I gave to you on Monday, that is the last thing you are going to get from me. So once you have completed that project, if you are passing, you are done. Like, you are all set. You're going to ready to roll into summer, and you're out of here. That's a good thing. So congratulations. Those of you that still have some stuff to make up and you need to get yourself to that passing mark, you do have Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday to do that. Let me give you some caution, though. I have to have grades in at 1 o'clock on a Wednesday. That's kind of my deadline. So, well, the deadline for me. I didn't set it, but it was the deadline that has been set for me. So please do not dump in like all of fourth quarter's assignments at 12:58 and say, there you go, I got it in by 1, because it's going to take me more than 2 minutes to grade all that stuff. Like, and I would like to be ready to go to meet meet the deadline that has been set for me. I might have a little bit of wiggle room, but, I don't want to have everybody dump all the stuff and say, I'm going to need 8 hours or something. That would be a little bit of a tough sell for some people. So please get me that stuff in advance. And like I said, once you are reaching the passing mark, and have completed all your stuff, you are good to go. So that's a good thing. Okay. Barring any kind of unforeseen circumstance, this will be the last video I'll make for this class. So I want to take a few minutes to thank you guys all for a fantastic year. Kind of as I told my seniors, I've had a little bit of regret over the last couple months, because March 13th when we left, I think I said something like, hey, I'll see you in 3 weeks, because I really thought I would see you again in 3 weeks. Never in my wildest dreams did I think that would be the last time we were in class together. And I wish I had something a little more heartfelt, a little more ready to go. But again, I didn't really foresee this being the goodbye that I was going to give. So it is what it is, but I have a few regrets about that. But I do have this chance. So I would like to say thank you. Thank you so much for all that you've done. If you ask the people that have gone through AP US History, they will tell you this is one of the harder classes in school. It may be the hardest class as far as just, there's a lot of work. It's a big jump from your freshman to sophomore year anyways, but to jump from freshman to sophomore year and say, how about a college level class? That's a pretty big step, pretty intense step. And it's one that it's pretty hard to make. Like I said, it's a hard class with a lot of material, and you guys did a really, really nice job. You did pretty much everything I've asked of you. I would say you all worked pretty hard, and you acquitted yourself very, very well. Like, I was very impressed for definitely the things that you had done and how hard you worked and how much you cared. That's a good thing. So I'm very excited about that. You really should be proud of yourselves for making it through. One of the things I love about an AP class is there is this nice sense of like, oh, I made it, I'm done. I think it's a relief and a little more of a sense of accomplishment than some of the other classes out there. Because again, you did work so hard. So thank you very much for that. I appreciate it. And hopefully everybody realizes how much that it did matter to me, and definitely that how much I appreciated it, and I appreciate all of you. So each and every one of you, I'm pretty happy to say that I had you in class, and I really, really look forward to, in another year, hopefully having you again in AP Government. If anybody doesn't sign up for that, I'm probably going to retire. No, I'm just joking. I don't want to put that pressure on you, but I really, really would like to have each and every one of you in class again. I enjoyed all of you, and I thought you were all great people. And personally, on a personal note, it made for a very exciting, a really fun year for me. Like, it didn't seem like work because I did really like you guys so much. I thought we had some good times. So yeah, I'm hoping everybody will be around in a couple years. Next year, I'm excited to see you guys around the hall. Hopefully you stop in, you know where I'm at, and just say hi, or if you want to chat. If you need anything from me, do not hesitate. That's what I'm here for. The other thing I love about teaching AP classes, I feel like, again, I kind of feel like we're in this together. So you're always kind of in the club. So definitely, if you need something from me, you know where I'm at, and I'm always willing to help. That's kind of what I'm there for. So thanks again. Like I said, it was enjoyable. There was never 2 days that were the same, never a dull moment. I said I really enjoyed it. And I look forward to what the future holds with AP Government. I think there's going to be 36 of you that are going to hopefully like the class, and I look forward to having you again. So if there's anything you need from me, don't hesitate. I will see you around. Have a great summer, and nice job again.